How to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. To check, you can head over to any web browser and then search for speed test. Here you can choose any website to check the speed of your internet. Now, if the internet is working properly and there is no issue, then the second thing you want to do is check if the application is fully updated. To check, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Cash App. If there is an update button, you simply want to tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, you will be able to use it without any issue. Next thing you want to do is head over to the settings and search for Cash App. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. Here you want to tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and delete all the application's data. After that, you want to open the application and check. If it is still not resolved, then you simply want to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. By doing this, the problem will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.